What is up and what is good, YouTube? Your boy Jose So's here back again with another video and another episode of Art Extravaganza. And in today's video, we're gonna be doing a Kaws figure as big as my printer can possibly print. The measurements I did will probably be about 18 inches tall. No diddy. It's gonna be a fun project. We just started, so let's just hop straight into it. Let's just jump straight. Next step is to assemble the whole thing and be using tight bond, instant bond, wood adhesive, medium strength. This works extremely well for plastic, works extremely well for 3D prints. I use this on my Rengoku sword and my Master Sword, so get yourself one of these if you don't have 3D glue. Gonna be doing a nice artistic piece on this. Gonna go for any anime characters, anime style, nothing. It's just gonna be straight art style, maybe throwing some New York graffiti into that, some New York style concrete jungle, you know. Let's see what I come up with in this. I got a couple ideas. We just gonna see what we mix into that, and I will be giving this away. We just gotta reach one goal, and the goal is to reach 5,500 subscribers. We're 90 subscribers away. If we could reach 5,500 subscribers, I will give this away. And all you gotta do is comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe. Once we reach 5,500 subscribers, I will come back to this video that comments on this post, and the winner will be contacted to win the Kaws figure. Time to get gluing and time to finish this bad boy up. Let's go.
This shit self-pay.
Alright, so I'm not sure if I actually like the way it came out. Leave it like that, keep adding, or just start over. I'll figure it out while I'm working. But this is what I have so far. It looks pretty dope. It's done. I just did a bunch of random stuff on it, causing like graffiti style font, caused little bubble tattoo, a heart that it says dream, got the X with a little teardrop, a crown. It's the finished product. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a chance to win this Kaws figure right here. See you guys in the next video. Deuces.